So now we download the report from the machines to our pen drive. We choose data management. So in data management, we choose download attendance log and also the download user. So we are done. We go to the report. So in report, we choose download attendance report. So you will come to this. This let you to choose the time frame of the report that you want to download. So you choose. Okay, so after downloading, we insert into our computer for to read. So we open out the standard report file. So you will see all the report will be inside this Excel file for you to use. Okay, that's all.